Thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making some broccoli salad. I would be willing to bet you've had this at some point at a wedding, a shower, family get together. It's an old recipe. I've been making this for years. People raved about it, so I've been making it ever since. So I'm just going to make a small batch because just me and my husband, and I hate wasting food. So it starts out with 4 cups of broccoli florets, chopped small. And on top of that, we're going to do 2 ounces of raisins. I've got 4 strips of bacon that I chopped up there. I've got half of a small purple onion. And then we're going to make the sauce. And it starts with 1 cup of Miracle Whip. I put 2 tablespoons of sugar in there. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And I'm going to put some salt, some pepper. And I'm just going to whisk it together right here. You can always make this dressing up ahead and have it ready to go. And then I don't usually like to put the dressing on the salad until, right before, like if I was going to an event today and I'm heading out in 20 minutes, now would be the time to put the dressing on it. I wouldn't make it hours in advance. And I mean, it would be okay. It's just that I like the broccoli to stay as crunchy as possible. So that's just me though. So if that's not, you can make it in advance if you want. Okay, so that's a simple dressing. I mean, this could not be easier. It's just broccoli, bacon, raisins, red onion. Some people put sunflower seeds in there. I'm not going to today. I've put it in there before, but it's optional. And I'm going to put this recipe in the description below. And all we're going to do now is mix the dressing with everything else. I've been asked a lot of times over the years for this recipe when I've taken it places, so must be doing something right with it. And you can go as heavy or light on the dressing as you like. Just like with a regular salad, some people love it just drenched in dressing and other people like it kind of light. I'm kind of somewhere in the middle, so I'm probably not going to use all of this, but the majority of it. I think that looks about right, just about right. And you can see it. Delicious. I'm sure anywhere you take it, people will be happy with that. And thanks for stopping by to check out my video today. Do me a favor and hit like, follow, and subscribe. It's free for you and it helps me out, helps me to make more videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye.